Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Benicia local and long-distance movers near me. Do you want to hire a responsible and cheap Benicia moving company? 3 movers will offer all the necessary services for your long-distance or local move. We provide moving services for residential and commercial clients. No matter the sort of move you need to be done, our moving team is prepared to make it happen for you. We make sure your long distance move occurs on time without stress. We assist you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 2,000 miles. Moving isn't easy, but using the right moving services can definitely make it so much simpler. Along with the basic long distance moving solutions, we can also provide all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Whenever you want to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the expense may seem hard. A closer look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a wise choice. You will certainly save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. Movers can also assure that you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. Our crew of professional movers will ensure your move is really efficient. Moving day becomes easier with 3 movers since we improve your whole entire move. Even if your move is large enough that it will take you all week, we can get it done in less than a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Benicia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.